this very pleasant ceremony of Pakistan Day. And I think Pakistan-Turkish relationship are historic and great relationship, and we are a brotherly country. And I personally feel at home since I have been here for last 4 or 5 days, and we regard so much for Turkish people, and it is a historic relationship. And I would like to thank you, Dr. Junaid, especially Consul General of Pakistan, who has provided me this opportunity to meet all of you distinguished friends and to talk to you and to get your feeling about Pakistan. We always pray for the prosperity and progress of both the nations and both the countries. Pakistan-Turkey relationship, Zindabad.